In a lush and vibrant forest, there lived a lively squirrel named Skye. Skye was always full of energy. He loved jumping through the trees and collecting nuts and fruits. His good friends, including a rabbit named Kiki, a raccoon named Ricky, and a bear named Bobby, all enjoyed playing with him. One day, Skye decided to throw a big party and invited all his friends to his treehouse. He busily prepared food, decorated the treehouse, and eagerly awaited everyone's arrival. However, before the party could begin, Skye suddenly heard a faint cry. It turned out that Kiki the rabbit had accidentally hurt his leg and was crying sadly at home. Skye quickly ran to Kiki's house and comforted him, saying, "Don't worry, Kiki, I'll help you." He gently bandaged Kiki's wound and prepared some delicious carrot soup for him. Kiki gratefully said, "Thank you, Skye, you're such a good friend." The next day, Ricky the raccoon was overwhelmed by a pile of laundry. Skye saw his struggle, stopped what he was doing, and helped Ricky clean everything. Grateful, Ricky said, "Thank you, Skye, I couldn't have done it without you." A few days later, it was Bobby the bear's turn to face difficulties. Bobby realized that the food he had prepared for hibernation wasn't enough and he might go hungry. When Skye heard about it, he quickly fetched the nuts he had stored and gave them all to Bobby. Bobby, surprised, said, "Skye, are you willing to give me your most precious food?" Skye smiled and replied, "Friends should help each other, especially when you need it now." Bobby, moved to tears, said, "You are truly the most thoughtful squirrel." Gradually, Skye's friends also began to learn how to be considerate of others. Kiki learned to lend a hand when others needed help. Ricky offered support when his friends were in need. And Bobby was always willing to share his food. The animals in the forest grew closer, and their time together became warmer and more harmonious. Skye felt very happy. He realized that being considerate not only made his friends feel warm but also made him happier. Finally, Skye stood in front of his treehouse, looking at the forest under the setting sun, his heart filled with satisfaction. He knew that it was the care and consideration of everyone that made the forest such a wonderful place. In the end, Skye and his friends learned a valuable lesson. Being considerate to others not only makes the world a warmer place but also brings more friendship and happiness into one's own life.